Yeah. Remedy. Lean. Right. Remedy. Listen to your voice is amazing. Caramel. That's your body, make me heal. Alcohol. That shit was handsome. Goddamn, I can't cheat. I just can't have side chick. Yeah, my niggas are wrong till I really listen to the voice. Goddamn, you know I become strong. It's not like I had any choice. Yeah, man, I feel I'm King Kong, but I'm crazy about the skin though. Listen to your voice is amazing. You drive all them niggas are crazy. Your personality is a remedy. Your voice, your body, make me heal. On your paper, just can't cheat. To me, you're sweet and amazing. Yeah, your voice is a wavy. Craving for your kiss, goddammit, baby. Yeah, real fuck you. You drive all them niggas are crazy. Your kiss make me feel this. Your saliva is mixed with the Hennessy. Even now, I still can't believe that I'm a chick for real. Babe, to me, I chose supreme. When you said you love me, was very startled. Even I'm with you, I can't even settle. Or on to close that door and the curtains. Remedy. Listen to your voice is amazing. Caramel. That's your body, make me heal. Alcohol. That shit was handsome. Goddamn, I can't cheat. I just can't have side chick. This is not a fantasy. It's really happening. It's all so fascinating. You're my mind, how you feel. Yeah, for the figure, but doesn't mean I love that nigga. Because to me, he was frivolous, and I really don't appreciate it. I appreciate that my baby's so voluptuous. Yeah. Welcome to Australia. Should have every class. I don't wanna tell that assignment right now. And I think I'm running out of time. If I don't, I'll be committing a crime on the mind. I don't wanna cross the line, cause both in my mind and my heart should have damn fine. I admit that, yeah, she mine. I'm in love with the lips, I'm in love with the kiss. She gave me new teeth, that I should grab her ass and lips. But it's when I'm kissing her, she got damn hard. I feel sorry, man, for I act out. Maybe Nick keeps on looking at the text. Now Nick ain't gonna receive anything yet when I'm in the picture. Hey! Remedy. Listen to your voice is amazing. Caramel. That's your body, make me heal. Alcohol. That shit was handsome. Goddamn, I can't cheat. I just can't have side chick.